Hello, YouTube. It's your boy, the Crazy Trader, and I'm here again with your favorite stock review. Like I always say, it's get money, you don't make no money, and you always got to risk it to get the biscuit. Guys, I'm here again to talk about RVI, Robinhood versus Fund. And I have some good news, great news that you are going to love, especially if you're a follower or an investor in this fund. Be aware that this is just for information and entertainment purposes only. Okay, so do your own due diligence, and let's jump right into it. I want to be quick so I can get the heck out of here. RVR is up, not up, but after hours it was up 1.5%, but it's $25.22. And as you know, this is the price which it IPO'd at. So this is my favorite price as of now, right now. You can see the net asset value, which is the NAV, at 25.02%. So it's just 20 cents more expensive. That's it, 20 cents. So it's great. At this price, I am willing to buy some more. And for full transparency, I've invested 4,900. I've invested more than that. I think 5 grand. You remember that I was up about 100 to 200%, but now I'm down. Because I didn't sell. I don't believe in selling this stock. I think it's gonna do pretty good, so I'm still gonna hold it. It's just 4% of my portfolio. I don't mind losing it, but I don't think I'm gonna lose it. They are all invested into private companies that haven't IPO'd yet. One company that has IPO'd already, SpaceX, but they invested in SpaceX when it IPO'd, not when it was private. Okay, so I have 195 shares of it. I'm hoping to get maybe 250, 300. Yes, that's what my goal is. Daily buy. You can see I buy my DCA. This is my DCA. Okay, so I buy $20 every day. $20 every day. That helps me out. It helps me with my account. I want to show you something more intriguing that has happened. So they reported recently their cash and cash equivalents that they have. So now it used to be 56%, I think, in cash that was sitting down, but now it's 31.77% of cash that they still have sitting down that they can invest in any company that they want. They can invest in new companies, or they can reinvest in these old companies that they already have. So the position is $216 million. Okay, weighted day average yield is 3.57. So the 216 million is making 3.57, 7 day yield. 7 day yield. So it's pretty good, 3.57, which is the same yield that they give you if you have uninvested cash in Robinhood. So if this is making 3.75, 3.57, it's a pretty good yield. So the weighted average yield is the blended average 7 day yield of each RVR money market fund that is cash position weighted by proportions of all cash and positions as of June 30th, 2006. So it's just the money that they have. So RVI's cash position as of June 30th, 2026 were $216.6 million. Okay. So that's a good metric that we have, as you can see. And I want to show you one more thing, not one more, a few more things, so I can get out of here. We're going back to the institutional holdings. It's almost the same. Nothing has changed much. You could see 22 increase, 22 new institutional holders, same people. There's been a few updates, which is nothing big to write home about. Honestly, it's just new. The institutions reporting. Um, New reports about institutions as of June 30th, 2026. We have SOA Wealth still 568, and we have International Assets Investment still 480 shares. That's it. Those are the few investments that have come in. You see Prospera and Carry also reported. What I want to see is the teachers retirement uh, system of Texas, are they still having the same amount? I want to. I feel like they've sold a lot of it. I feel like a lot of these people have sold somehow because of the way the price has moved. But that's fine. I don't mind if the price goes up or if it comes down. I think it's a good investment. I'm going to keep my money in there. One more information before I let you go, and this is great. This is the biggest information that you're going to have as of now. Boom. Vlad Tanev, which is the CEO and actually I want to say the founder CEO of Robinhood, says, "Mark your calendars. Robinhood Ventures Fund 2 is coming. The roadshow begins August 3rd." So yes, like I said, Robinhood Ventures 2 fund is coming. RVR 2. RV2. I always call it RVR, but it's RV1 and RV2. So RV2 is coming. Let's make it happen. I am all in for it. I think I might buy some too. I might put some money over there because I love these funds. They are all investing into private companies, and I think there's a lot of great private companies that are out there that will need a lot of cash. It will take some time for you to realize some of the cash. I'm hoping that I can do some investments for my daughter, especially in funds like this, because it will take a longer time for, in the next 15, 20 years when all these funds go private. It will be better for her to have stuff like this in her account. So I'm going to do something like that, for my daughter too, which is buy RVR1 and RVR2 and RV2 for a fund for her, which is pretty good. And hopefully most of the companies that IPO will do well in the industry. So this fund's gonna go up. So I like the stock. I like the way it's moving. I'm actually happy that it's back down because it went all the way to like 70 something, which was so unrealistic because the NAV was right stated right there, which was so unrealistic. So at $25, I like it, and I think I'm gonna keep DCAing my money into it day in and day out until I reach my desired goal, which is I say 250 or 300 shares, and then I'm gonna halt out of it a little bit. So yes, RV1 is here, which is Robinhood Ventures Fund One is here, and Robinhood Ventures Fund Two is on its way. Are you excited? Because I am. I'm out of your hair. Stay blessed and peace.